Hey, what's up guys? A few days ago we have seen the live dummy of the iPhone 13 Pro Max, and this thing looks very different than its design. There are a few changes in the design like small notch, a new placement of the earpiece and a new massive camera module on the back. Now the latest leak from the Mac rumors have arrived and they have got the final schematics with dimension revealing the iPhone 13 series is going to be thicker in terms of its body and camera bump. The camera module is larger this time, which too means that we have a huge camera changes. As far as the schematics, the iPhone 13 body is 0.17mm thicker than the iPhone 12. Interestingly, the camera modules is 2.51mm in the iPhone 13 and 3.65mm in the iPhone 13 Pro Max. And if we compare it with the iPhone 12, it is 1.5mm in iPhone 12 and 1.7mm in the iPhone 13 Pro Max. So it's a massive jump. It's way thicker than I thought. Even the camera module size is way thicker in the iPhone 13 and 13 Pro Max. So if we have this type of a camera bump on the back side and we have a thickness of the camera sensor, then it is going to be a possibility that there is going to be an improvement we are getting in the camera department. The iPhone 12 Pro Max camera was 47% larger than the iPhone 11 Pro Max, and the iPhone 13 series in schematics looks pretty huge. As per the leaks, the iPhone 13 series is coming with the sensor shift stabilization both in the main and the wide angle lens. They will use the new 6-element lens in the super wide, and also new telephoto camera is coming in the iPhone 13 series. According to Max Weinbach, the iPhone 13 series will have the astrophotography feature, and this means you can take the images of the sky, stars and moon without using the advanced pro mode. Also, this is going to be pretty much similar to the astrophotography which we have seen in the Google devices. The LiDAR scanner which is coming on the back side is also going to be very beneficial for better images and portrait shots, whereas in terms of video, Apple is planning to include a new image stabilization correction which will improve the focus of object and also improve the noise cancellation. And if we are talking about the portrait mode, then there is going to be another improvement which is coming in the iPhone 13 series, and that is probably going to be the portrait mode video. This means we have a nice bokeh, or you can say blur, in the background in the videos. So this is pretty amazing. I am definitely looking forward to that. So all this is looking pretty much cool. So I guess the changes in the design and the thickness is surely gonna make iPhone 13 Pro Max as a heavy device. Also, we have a new changes in the display. We have a 120Hz OLED panel, a small notch, a massive large camera module, and not to mention the huge camera bump on the back side. This is a huge jump I have ever seen in the iPhone series in so many years, and there are a bunch of improvements which are coming this year. So guys, this is just the starting, because the iPhone 14 Pro, according to Ming Chung Kuo, it is coming with a punch hole selfie shooter, and they will embed the Face ID under display itself, and that is going to be pretty amazing if that is going to be happening. So that's all guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here, and I will meet you in the next one. Peace out.